I copped the Virgil Jordan 5 metallic joints, I said there's no need for me to ever own a metallic Jordan 5 again. But then they reimagined them. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I love that y'all sleeping on Jordans. Y'all see, I doubled up, man. Able to double up, man. One pair off the Foot Locker joint reserve. The other pair Finish Line gave me the joints early to cop. Actually, I think it was JD Sports. But either way, I got two pairs, and this shoe is fire. From pics, I already knew that I wanted to cop them because they was a reimagined, little modern hits on a sneaker that we seen from years ago. And yo, man, this is a good shoe, guys. Thumbs up in the comment section below if you cop. If you didn't cop, don't be too worried, guys. I'll get into how much they're going for right now in the resale later on in the video, but it's going to be restocked. So right now it's kind of dim, it's kind of gloomy. I know the feeling, but they're going to restock, man. We don't do too much long talking here at Sneaker Notes, man. Well, you can't blame me, man. Virgil did these right. R.I.P. to Virgil, man. But the reimagined joints, they got some little kickers too, man. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So even though they reimagined, we got the, I don't want to say regular because that make it sound bad. We got the OG box, right? The box that we seen the fives come in a lot of different times. The cement elephant print joint at the bottom. Huge Jumpman logo at the top. But with the Lost and Founds, that's really kind of the only reimagined that we got like, that we got like a box or a receipt. It was really different. But this one you got regular here, but I ain't mad. It's OG. When you flip it open, you get that black garbage bag looking paper. I remember when this first came out, man. And the sneakers are divided with this. I'm just trying to help y'all spot the fakes. You got a little dividing cardboard in there, nothing fancy. And let's start with the left shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Jordan 5 reimagined black metallic. I want to start with this, man. Come on, guys. That's A1 material, man. Look at that toe box. It kind of looked like it reflects. It should reflect, giving you that metallic look. But man, that toe box is super special. It kind of remind me of the Travis Scott Jordan 1 low black joints. It had this material, but I feel like this material is more sexier, man. So of course, as a Jordan 5, you're gonna get that shark or that fire or that fighter jet. Nobody really knows what this is. We just was making stuff up. But in that metallic, it looks crazy. You got black paint splatter on that. Translucent bottom, man. I always feel like the Jordan 6 does the translucent bottom better in the silhouette, but I'm feeling this with this black, man. Well, let's talk about the tag. This is what, when they say reimagined, you usually get a tag like this, and I like it. It's a spin on the old tag. It's way more modern, way more light, see-through, reads Nike Air. But look how clear that window is there, man. Now, when they said reimagined, I thought maybe they would have tried to yellow this out like Virgil did, but they put the modern hits on it, man, like Modern Warfare, Call of Duty. That is clear, guys. But then just look at the nubuck, guys. That nubuck is hitting, and it is a little reflecting all over the sneaker. It does light up like a bicycle, the light inside the bicycle wheel. That it does light up all around the sneaker. Guys, they put Nike Air on the booty. You know I love when Nike Air's on the booty, man. I love that look. This doesn't look like it reflects, but it is in that metallic silver. Super dope, man. Spin around. You get the same as the outside, the window and all that. More the metallic with the paint splatter there. OG bubble in the back. This sneaker has it all, guys. And we cannot talk about a Jordan 5 without this big, huge, reflective tongue. This one made the metallic 5 so fire to me. But yeah, man, you got a red Jordan man on there, huge. The metallic tongue is there. It is stiff. It comes in white shoelaces, and I like it. I really don't like white shoelaces, but I like this white. But I might swap this with red, or if I could find some silver joints, that'll definitely go dope. But the white does give it that OG look with a modern feel. As far as the ankle support, I seen people saying that a lot of their ankles was ashy. But I feel like if you just wipe it a couple of times, man, it'll get you right back to that jet black look. So I don't really see an issue there. These joints came laced like to the top. It's so laced that you got the tissue paper right here blocking the whatever we used to call this, ice. In Brooklyn, we call this ice. In the comment section below, let me know what y'all called that. But it's blocking it from scratching up the tongue. And speaking of laces, we do get a black pair, guys. I'm confused. Jordan Brand say they not doing the sandwich bags no more. They moved to the earth joints. Sometimes you still get it, but I think being that it's a reimagined, it's a play on the OG with some new looks. They gave us the sandwich bag as a retro. These black shoelaces, I think, hits, but I would rather go with the white for the pop. I think they should have included red, but $210 price tag, I ain't mad, man. And as I was talking about the ankle part, you see this one here? Does have a little bit of ash there, man. Need a little bit of lotion, get that done. Some Crep Protect brush, it'll come right off, but y'all can see what I'm talking about here. Trying to get y'all to see the tongue, the bottom of the tongue. Looks just like this, same material. Very dope Jordan Brand. The bottom, all translucent. That look like a blue Jordan, man. Could be black, but my eyes saying blue. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Got the Nike logo in there, OG style, translucent tab on the back. Look, man, these metallic 5 joints are hard. I'm not going to tell you they not hard, but Virgil did his thing, man. The hole on the tongue was just crazy in my opinion. But speaking of tongue, I'm sorry, I didn't show you the back of this tongue. You do get the upside down Air Jordan logos in white and red. That's also OG too. But man, in the comment section below, let me know which one y'all really would go with. I know right now we up on these, but let's not forget how fire these was. Yes, sir. So $210 price tag. I didn't even try on sneakers because I already had 2 in the bag. I knew that days before. So I don't like to be like crazy 3. I do 2, but I can't do 3. I did get my son a pair. This is a pair for the kiddies, man. They're gonna remember this when they get older and probably making their own YouTube too, man. Be patient, man. Trust me. Right now, prices are like $2.99. After this video, they might be at like $3.15. I'm not mad at paying that, right? But I'm kind of like 88% sure that it's gonna be a restock. I was also 88% sure that the Chiefs was gonna win the Super Bowl. So take that with a grain of salt, but I know it's some pairs there, man. Yesterday, JD Sports restocked out the blue 7 in the morning. So it's definitely pairs there, but if you want it now, I ain't mad at you, man. I'm not. This sneaker is dope, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.